For this project, I'm going to be using a yard of chiffon fabric and some 2-inch ribbon. To start off, I'm going to fold my piece of fabric in half one way, and then in half again the other way. Starting from the corner where both edges are folded, I'm going to measure out 6 inches in a circle shape using a ruler. If you would like to have a larger waist measurement, simply make this longer, and if you have a smaller waist, you can make this shorter. Starting from that same corner, I'm going to measure out 20 inches in the shape of a circle. If you would like your skirt to be longer, simply make this measurement longer, and if you'd like your shirt to be shorter, make this measurement shorter. Now cut out along the lines you drew. And you should have a shape that looks like this. Unfold your fabric so it's still folded in half one way. Now cut along one of the side edges, as this will be where the skirt opens. Now, when you unfold it in half again, you'll have a shape that looks like this. Hem both sides that you just cut by folding the fabric over once and then over again. Now I'm taking the ribbon and measuring 140 inches of it for the waistband. Match the center point of the ribbon to the center point of the skirt. Then along the waist, fold the ribbon in half so that it works to hem the waist. Sew the entire ribbon in half along the waistband. Now hem the entire bottom of the skirt. This is what the ribbon should look like. I am so happy with the way this skirt came out. It's so easy and it really works to fit many sizes, so it'd make a great gift too. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you would like to see more like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!